Hello, in this section we will start a new company file in 3 accounting software including QuickBooks Online, QuickBooks Desktop, and Excel. We'll start up the file for these 3 accounting software, show how to set up the 3 accounting software, look at the preferences for them. We'll then look at the list of accounts and the chart of accounts. We will use the QuickBooks software to help us generate that list of accounts. QuickBooks using our industry to help determine what that chart of accounts will be. We'll then list the chart of accounts within Excel and talk a little bit more how that chart of accounts would be put together, what will be the account types, what will be the order of the chart of accounts, and why. We'll also set up some beginning information including inventory items, including vendors, including customers, and we're going to assume that there was some business done before we entered this information into QuickBooks and Excel, and therefore what we're going to put in is those beginning balances, which is often one of the more difficult components to setting up the system, meaning we're going to set up some customers that we already owe some money or already owe us money, some vendors that we owe money to. We'll have the bank account and put in the beginning balance in the bank account. We'll have a little bit some inventory that we want to value that inventory, and we'll put in those values there. QuickBooks allows us a fairly easy setup process to do that, in that QuickBooks says, hey, here, just put the beginning balance here. But in order for the double entry accounting system to work, QuickBooks will also have to do something else in order to affect another account so that everything will remain in balance. We'll analyze what QuickBooks is doing in order to make that process as easy as possible for us to enter those beginning balances, those balances for the vendors and the customers and the inventory. And then we'll look at it within Excel, where we will have to actually enter the journal entry that QuickBooks will basically generate as we enter those beginning balances. We'll see both sides of the journal entry and get a better understanding of how those beginning balances will be put into place through that process.